Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do gel nails like this one at home. Now this is in no way sponsored or anything. I just found this brand super exciting, so I thought I should definitely share it with you guys. This is an at-home gel manicure kit, like a proper kit with everything that you might need to do a gel manicure, and it comes in this kit and it has everything that you need, the UV lamp and nail polish and gel nail polish remover, cuticle oil, and yeah, it was really nice, so I thought I'd just make a video for you guys. It comes with 2 nail polishes. These are the gel nail polish removers, and it also comes with a cuticle remover before you start applying your gel manicure, and it also comes with a cuticle oil and a cuticle pusher. I think that's what that is, I don't know. And it comes with the UV lamp, which I thought was so cool. And yeah, this is something that you could do at home now. You don't have to go to the salon or anything, so I got really excited and I thought of sharing it with you guys. Also, I quickly wanted to show you what I've been using to make my nails grow long. Honestly, like, this is what I've been using, the Nykaa Rock Hard, and my nails have been super amazing, touch wood. So anyway, it comes with a user guide, so you guys can go ahead and read how to use it and the things that you will need to do. And I'm going to start with this nail polish first, which is a nude, so I'm going to use that as a base. So I'm just applying a very thin layer of this on all my nails. You guys know the drill, just apply the nail polish like you usually would. And then you cure the gel polish underneath the UV lamp. So this UV lamp auto shuts in 60 seconds. Yeah, and then what I like to do is insert my thumb separately, so it auto shuts once it's like done. And for the first layer, I like to do like 60 seconds for each nails, and then I'm going to apply another layer. So this is the glittery layer. I applied 2 layers of this, and in the second coat I went ahead and kept it for 120 seconds. So once it's shut, then I restarted the lamp again, and then it just is done. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Just follow it up with the cuticle oil that they have, and they are super long lasting. This lasted me for about 3 weeks almost without chipping. So yeah, this is amazing, and you can do this at home. I'm gonna link the details down below in case you guys would want to know more about this. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.